Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can find all the real zeros of this function. F of x equals x to the cube plus x squared minus 10x plus 8. The first thing you have to do is use the rational root theorem to find all the possible roots. So to do this, you take the constant and find all its factors, as I've done here, and you take the coefficient of the first variable and you find its factors. Here the coefficient is 1, so the factors are only 1. And these will be all the possible rational zeros this function can have. So since 1 is a possible rational zero, we can plug that in for x. So f of 1 equals 1 to the third plus 1 squared minus 10 times 1, which is 10, plus 8. And 1 to the third plus 1 squared, well 1 to the third is 1 and 1 squared is also 1, so that would be 2, minus 10 plus 8. 8 plus minus 10 would be negative 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. And that means x minus 1 would be a factor. Because f of a equals 0, then a minus 1 would equal a factor. Step 2 is to divide the polynomial by the factor you found to get the remaining factors. So you set it up for long division. The third step is to factor the quadratic function that you get. When factoring, you have to find two numbers whose product will be minus 8, and when added together, positive 2. These two numbers are negative 2 and 4. So, because negative 2 times 4 equals negative 8, and negative 2 plus 4 equals positive 2. So that helps us give us the remaining two factors, which are x minus 2 and x plus 4. So these are the factors, and now you have to make them equal to 0 and then solve for x, and that will give you your real zeros. So x minus 1 equals 0, that means x equals 1, and that's one of your zeros. And then you have x minus 2 equals 0, that's x equals 2, that's your second zero. And then we have x plus 4 equals 0, which is x equals negative 4, and that's your third zero. So these are your three real zeros, and that's how you find all the zeros of a polynomial. Thank you.